This conference will now be recorded.
All right, thank you. So thanks for waiting, everybody. So yesterday we started working on customizing of partner determination. We could see how to set up the process of sold to party. We could see how to set up the process of shipped party. Now we'll see how to set up builder party and payer, and we'll complete this customizing process. And then I'm going to write the front end customer creation scenarios. That is, in how many ways the customers will be created. You'll be understanding. All right. So let me step into the SAP screen and start working on this. So VOPA partner functions. Then click on environment and select account group assignment. Now here, click on the last page. Give the last entry ZW0001. That's how we. And here in build party, how many functions? Two in the backend. That is the layout identity, build party in which the sales details. So SP and the BP. So in the build party layout, the sales information. BP. And click on the drop down and find your account group. What is our account group we made? We're working with a client, that is our project client we have taken as Garasim. So build a party BP here. GRA3. So as how I'm being written on the board, the same way we have seen here. So build a party GRA3 got connected with SP and BP. Done. So no rush, please. Kindly be careful when you are practicing. If we give a wrong entry, the screen will get hanged up. Okay. So you need to forcefully come out of the screen because it is just updating this layout. Saved. Continue. Back. Back. Now I need to create a procedure. Procedure is like a folder. In the procedure, I should organize the functions. So two functions we have SP and BP in the build party layout. Click on it. Now all are occupied here. So again, click on last page. Whatever is the last entry you find, give that. What is the last entry I given here? I'm sorry. See, mistakenly, I place the cursor here. Place the cursor in this open block. ZZ11 is the last entry. Do not disturb that because that is somebody's made. So place the cursor in the open block over here, and here I give GRBP. So Grasim BPP PROC procedure. Right. So build a party procedure. First you save the layout. Then again place the cursor in the bottom find box GRBP. Have a click on it. Now here I should organize the functions. So see here one S. Do not touch them. These are developed some for activity purpose. Please do take the standard only. Functions are default in the system. We are activating the functions for our account group what we made. So here pick SP. So be careful when you're doing. So sometimes things may not be in alphabetical sequence. So do go through slowly, up and down you move and find the correct option. SP, BP. Not changeable, mandatory, mandate. Continue and save it. Go a step back. Procedure assignment. Find your build party account group GRBP. Now it is GRA3 and place on the top. So Grasim build party the layout what we made, and here we are connecting the procedure. Click on the drop down, scroll down, maybe in alphabetical sequence it may show. If it is not showing in the alphabetical sequence, see here it is showing in alphabetical. In some servers, it may show in the bottom. Depending upon the load on the server, reasons are many. So here GR, SH, SP, and here it is BP. So give the right one. Mistakenly, if you give GRSH or GRSP, it will accept. Whatever you give, it will accept, but it will throw an error or it will show a mismatch of the presence in the front end. So be careful. So cross check before you leave. This is build a party. This is build a party account group. Yes. Save it now. So successfully, we have seen the third layout setup. Now the left out is the pair. Now in the layout of pair, we got sales and billing both to be maintained. So the account group pair got to be connected with these three functions. And I need to create a procedure, a folder kind of, in which the three functions should be organized. All should be mandatory and sold to should be not changeable. Because where to send a bill, where to make a payment, and who to make a payment can be different also. But customer identity cannot be changeable, right? That's the logic here. And you need to connect this procedure to the account group. So GRA4 to be connected to GRPY. All right. So same process for 4 times as we are doing the 4 account groups. Sir, why we got to do 4 account groups? Why this vast we are doing? You will be understanding in next few minutes why we are doing all this. Okay, done. Now VOPA partner functions, environment, account group assignment, going to the last page, giving the last entry, and give the function, select the function, drop down. Preferred always select from the drop down. Sometimes manually you give, it may not recognize. So to avoid inconvenience, SP, then BP, then PY. And here find your account group, Grasim Payer. GRA4, GRA4, GRA4. Save it. See, mistakenly I given one extra. Remove it, save it. It still blinks over there only. So what you do? Just click on this, exit. It will not respond. Back, it will not respond. Only in this layout. When you made some mistake, the screen will get hanged out because this is the updating layout in the version. So only this layout you will face this kind of inconvenience. So what we should do, if you made a mistake, it will not allow you to save, it will not allow you to continue, it will allow you to go back. No activity will. Simply open a new screen. Okay, minimize it and close the screen forcefully. Alright, so VOPA again, partner functions, environment, account group assignment, last page, ZW001. See, I'm showing you every kind of mistakes you may commit. I'm showing you every kind of issue it may you will face. So everything you are learning. The other day, when the text is not been presenting, it will get hanged up. So I shown in the session, one of the trainee could do that. Okay, so everything is there. Patiently, you should go through the recording. More number of times you go through the recording, more clarity you'll get. Then go behind for practicing. Don't rush for practicing. If you rush for practicing today, you feel that yes, I learned, but tomorrow again you forgot why we have done this. So more time you should spend on listening the recording. When you're listening the recording, when you're seeing the recording like a movie, start making a note of steps of customizing because you should speak these steps without seeing the system. The day when you're able to speak the purpose of the topic, why is this customized, what are the steps involved in customizing, that is what is the knowledge, because that is what is the expectation. When you're facing an interview, you'll be asked how you made, what you made. Sometimes it may be a business process, they may be asked, sometimes they may be asked the steps to be explained. So develop the capability on speaking on the subject, please. So HP, GRA4, BP, GRA4, PY, GRA4. Enter. Save it and back. One more step back. Procedure. Last page. ZZ11. Last entry. Place the cursor in the open block and give here GRPY Rasim Payer. Save it first. Go a step back. Again click on procedure. Find GRPY, what we made just now. Double click on it. SP, not changeable, mandatory. BP, mandatory. PY, mandatory. So at the time of collecting the payment based upon the sale along with the bill, all are mandatory. The sales information cannot be changeable. But if the customer wants a different bill address or different pay address system, should accept. It allows you. Save it and back. Now assign procedure. So when you click on assign procedure over here, find your account group. What's your account group? GRA4. And here drop down GRP1. Enter. Save it first. So go a step up. One step up. You can see for sold party, we have corrected sold party procedure. For shipped party, we have corrected shipped party procedure. For billed party, we have corrected billed party procedure. For payer, we have corrected the payer procedure. Alright, everybody. So that's all about the customizing of the partner determination. Right. Let me close the screen. Let me go back to the board. So when you speak about customer master data, I was writing the scenario first, right? That is, generally I was talking about how we create a customer. Generally, we create a customer. I was talking about Amazon. When you're creating a customer ID in Amazon, you give your general details, your shipping details, your billing details, your payment details, I said, right? So when creating a customer ID in Amazon, you give all general details and all other details. So Amazon customer ID is based for Amazon. Sorry, customer ID is based in the Amazon from where they pick up your general information, shipping information, billing information, pay information. The same customer ID in SAP we identify as sold party. Sold party has a shipped party, sold party has a billed party, sold party has a payer. It is all about setting up the relationship. It is all about partner processing. It is all about partner determination as well. So first in SAP we set up the four layouts, account groups. Then by now we have done with partner determination, setting up the relations, and we have also connected the number ranges so that when you are creating a customer, system should give you a number. And while I was teaching the number range concept, I was talking about the internal and external. Why internally we set up, why externally we set up. Internal we set up, system allots the number automatically when the transaction is getting saved. External we set up, user can allot a number manually. For example, for internal, I said ATM. When you go to an ATM, withdraw some money, the transaction number will be generated by system. But for external, I've taken example of a bank. Though the bank is operating a system, they generate a token number manually. I have also taken example of theater during our childhood days. When we used to go to theater to buy a movie ticket, the ticket seller he only knows what is the number of the ticket running because it's a one man show. But today we go online booking. What all sold out you can see, what all left out you can see. So managing this transaction reference number given in two ways. System given, user given. We have set up the number ranges in internal mode and external mode. Right? And now we have done with this partner determination. Now what next now? Now is all about the front end. Very important and very interesting also. What all we have done till date is all about customizing. Now, for the first time, you will be experiencing how to create a transaction, a customer ID in the front end now. So day one, we was working on enterprise structure. that is setup of the company, company code, plan, sales organization, all. Day two, we started with customer master data. By now, we are done with customizing of these two. Now, using these, we can work on creation of customer. Right. Now, remember here, front end, end user, point of view, creation of customer. It is all about business partner. Either of the name you can spell. Customer or business partner, both mean the same. The one who gives the business to the company, who is a customer, who is a business partner. All right, done. Now watch me carefully here. Using your made account group, using your made number ranges, using your made partner determination, this activity will permit. Okay, that is customizing sources required to work on creation of customer. All right, now let's see the purpose. So I told you all yesterday, just to recollect, in how many ways the customers can be created. So generally, it's open question. We play a customer role when we go for a shopping, right? So how many kind of expectations you may have? Just think down. It's open question to you all. Just think down and tell me. My question is very straight. In how many ways the customers can be created? कितने तरीके में कस्टमर बना सकते ఎన్ని రకాలలో కస్టమర్స్ ని క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు
I
yes
think five, sir.
5 okay what are they
Online, offline, and reference.
offline reference okay
Uh, through friend,
through friend okay
online reviews,
okay
old, reconnect the old customers.
okay now see please everybody I'm not here to comment on what you're answering just I want to tell you about first everybody need to understand the question what I'm asking in how many ways you can create a customer. I'm not asking in how many ways you can get the customer. Getting the customer is different. Creating the customer is different. In how many sources you may get the customer means you can tell a friend may refer a customer, a friend I may get a customer from offline, I may get a customer from online, I may get a customer from old database. So please everybody understand the question. My question is in how many ways we can create a customer. My question is not in how many ways we can get the customer. You said you given me an answer. Fine. You try to attempt. Very good. Give an attempt. When you attempt only know, you can know whether you are right or wrong. No worry. I'm here to tell you. No problem. Okay. Thanks for your attempt, Vasu. Now,
Uh,
yes, any other person?
Two ways that we can create the customer. One is through
What
T
are
code, and the other way is through the SAP path.
okay, fine. Now, okay. Now you also given some answer, but okay, how to create that's fine. But mine is scenario I'm asking. I'm not telling about asking about how to create an SAP. All right, don't strain yourself. I'm there to guide you. In how many ways we create a customer? General customer, or how many kinds of customers? Institutional customer, or dependent customer. Corporate customer. So, in how many ways we can create a customer in SAP database? Three ways. Not only in SAP, wherever you go. A person, maybe an individual, for example, you are buying something in Amazon. You are placing an order, you will be receiving the shipment, you yourself will receive the bill, and you yourself will make the payment. General. So, SP, that is sold party, SH, that is shipped party, BP, that is billed party, PY, that is payer. So all four as one person only. I say, for example, Ravi, 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 Ravi. So Ravi himself places an order. Ravi himself will receive the shipment. Ravi himself will receive the bill. Ravi himself will make the payment. It is general. So you should know how to execute the SAP system. Now, institutional or dependent, what it mean? For example, let me take again Amazon example only. I'm not promoting Amazon, but when I'm connecting to Amazon, it reaches you very well. Example, that's the intention. Because every day in our day-to-day common life, we shop a lot on Amazon, and you understand very well because all the features you are familiar mostly. Now, the feature here is SP Mr. Ravi, SH Raju, BP Ravi, PY Ravi. What is the scenario here? Now Ravi is placing an order in Amazon, shipment to be sent to Raju, who is located in different place. Ravi himself will take care of the bill. Ravi himself will make the payment. Maybe a gift to his friend. And in institution also same works. Think about a person owning a two retailing outlets, and owner of two retailing outlets, one person placing an order from one location, wants the shipment to be to other location of other outlet office. So institutional or dependent both is the same. Now corporate scenario. Think Mr. Ravi is a purchase manager of some. We are taking example of Grasim. Grasim is a textile based company. Think Mr. Ravi is a purchase manager of Shopper Stop. So Ravi is placing an order for some product and shipment to be sent to the floor manager Raju. That is floor manager, and bill to be sent to Venu, who is an admin, and payment to be collected from Kiran, who is an accountant. That's what we see, right? Corporate sales means the purchase manager will go to the market, find the right product, and place an order. The company's stores department will get the stock and admin will receive the bill and he verifies and he approves. Accountant will clear the payment. So why we have customized the customer master data in that vast? Only see here, only sold party making our purpose is solved. Sold party got sales, shipping, billing, and partner functions all organized. System defaultly understand the customer is eligible for shipping, eligible for billing, eligible for payment. So no need to set up ship to bill to pay, not required. So outside wherever you go, by teaching sold party, the customer master data chapter is done. But behind this vast is there. Until you really work, you will not know about all this. So why we made this was customizing of partner determination for all shipping, billing, pair individually. 4 layouts we made, 4 account groups we made, and 4 setups of partner determination for 4 business process we made. When you have 4 layouts, you can make this activity organized. So creating a customer, Ravi as a customer, himself for shipping, himself for payment. Done. You, the trainee, will think, okay, we made the layout, we created the customer, done. But how about these scenarios? So until you work, you will not understand the depth of the requirements. So you're experiencing all of them here. So the more you understand, the better you can speak. The more you speak, the opposite person understand what is the depth of knowledge you have. Okay. Now apart from this, we have one more scenario. Customer extension. Scenario 1, scenario 2, scenario 3, and scenario 4. When you see this all in the system, that's the outcome of this topic. Then we move on to the next topic. So what is the purpose of customer extension here now? Customer extension is all about the purpose of, so for example, today you have been to a store. I'll give one simple example. Normally we see a pharmacy store, a medical shop. When you go to this Apollo pharmacy or Midplace, or so many kind of stores are there now, supply chain. Why I take this example? First time when you go to a pharmacy store, they create your customer ID. So what is your mobile number? What is your name? With that reference, they'll create your identity. And next time onwards, whenever you go, they'll ask your mobile number with reference to the mobile number. They will get the backup of your customer ID and they tag your buying details every time. Think about you've been to Walmart for the first time. Walmart is the supply chain like how we have the smart bazaar in India, like the Walmart over there in US. Think you are going to smart bazaar in India. That is supply chain supermarket. Think you are going to Reliance Digital. Think you are going to Shopper Stop. Think you are going to Lifestyle. Supply chain, that is chain of outlets kind of. So for the first time you go, they create your customer ID. Next time you visit any outlets of them, maybe in that location or other location, when your details are entered, system shows your identity already. And when you're buying new things, your existing ID should be upgraded. So every time you go, they're not creating your customer ID again and again. They are updating your new products, what you're buying, tagging to the existing ID. So already a customer is there when he's coming for the next time for other line of product, the existing customer ID should be added with the new line of product details. That is the extension. So these all scenarios you all need to understand in terms of working. Okay. So just understand these scenarios, go through the recording, understand. tomorrow with a fresh mind. We'll see the first scenario mostly will be completing, and the second, third, and the extension scenario mostly will be seeing on day after tomorrow, because by the time I do first one itself, I'll be done with the timeline. Because you will be understanding the complete activity, account group, the fields, how we organize, how they appear in the front end, which field is for what purpose. When you have a clarity, explanation is more. When you have a clarity, you'll get an understanding. Okay, how the way we made, why the way we made, how it appeared in the front end. Okay, so do go through today's recording. This last 15 minutes, what I'm explaining on the board, it is based for tomorrow's session. Okay, so yesterday's partner determination, partly we have done, partly we have completed today. Today in front end, how many ways the customers can be created, I explained, and this we'll see lively in the front end tomorrow. So do join the same meeting link. I'm sorry for the inconvenience in the beginning of the session today of getting delayed. All right. So thank you all and see you in tomorrow's session.